The same child who can rap 72 reels from memory sits in front of a textbook like a statue from Hampi. Why? Because welcome to the video 2 of the series, The Fear That Made Us Is Failing Them. Remember? One flying chappal from mummy and we used to solve algebra like Einstein. Memory boost double X. No screen time promise, no bribe, just the chappal therapy and we were on the job. Write yes in the comment section if you agree. But today's kids, you scream and they are like, whatever. Or 5 minutes mama, and that 5 minutes will turn into 1 hour of TV time. भाई, आजकल बच्चे तो बॉस के बॉस हैं. Let me say this straight from the heart. The fear that made us obedient is making our kids anxious. And the scary part, they don't even say that they are anxious. They say, I'm tired. I don't feel like studying. Can I just take a break, mama? Break? Beta, we didn't even take a break while being born. But pause. This video is not about blaming children or parents. It's about understanding what has shifted and how we can shift with it. And if you have ever felt that your child never listens to you, I have created one full video on this. Do watch after this video because this video will change the way you see your child and more importantly, the way they see you. Stay with me and watch till end. Let's decode this together. What has shifted? So think closely. We were raised on these 4 fear therapies. First, fear of mummy's look. Second, fear of mark sheet. Third, fear of society. And fourth, fear of that Sharma ji ka beta who was always better than us. And yes, we became successful but also overthinkers, people pleasers and perfection addicts, isn't it? Now today's kids, they reject fear like it's last season's TikTok trend. They want reason, respect and most importantly, emotional validation. You say, when I was your age, I did everything without complaint. They reply, then why are you always so stressed now? Boom. Let's get little sciencey for a second. Don't worry, it's fun wala science. When you shout, your child's brain gets a cortisol attack. Stress goes high, focus goes low, and memory, it vanishes like water on hot tawa. The same child who can rap 72 reels from memory sits in front of a textbook like a statue from Hampi. Why? Because when fear enters, clarity exits. Do you know where we are going wrong? Actually, we are parenting 2025 kids with 1995 tactics. It's like using a Nokia charger on an iPhone. It doesn't work and might even explode. One dad said to me, Surabhi, I was always so disciplined and scared of what my parents would say. And my daughter, she doesn't care. She doesn't fear me anymore. I said, do you want her to fear you or feel you? He was silent because the truth hits us. You see, yelling doesn't make them listen now. It makes them shut down. Even my son once said, Mama, if you shout, I will never listen to you. And I'm a cognitive coach. Additional layer of guilt. So these kids, they don't need more rules, more tuitions, or more pressure packages. They need calm homes, clear instructions, and a parent who train the brain, not just correct behaviors. And that's what cognitive training is. It's not tuition, it's not coaching, it's a mental gym for the brain to grow focus, memory, and emotional regulation. It teaches the brain how to focus under pressure, how to calm down during meltdowns, and how to learn faster, smarter, and deeper. And all without shouting, guilt tripping, or Sharma ji ka beta-fying your child. Parents, let me leave you with this. Let us be the last generation who were raised by fear and the first one to end it. Let your child grow up saying, my parents see me, my home feels safe, my brain is calm. Because we don't need to raise kids who follow orders. We need to raise humans who understand life. So next time you are about to shout, pause, look and say, let's figure this out together. And if you don't know how to do it, our cognitive training team is here to support you. This is what we cover as one important part of cognitive coaching for children and adults. Not perfection, just connection. Follow me here, subscribe, join our tribe of parents, rewriting parenting with wisdom, laughter, and cognitive training as one secret sauce.